Installing a processor. Use a syringe to apply 4 uniformly spaced dots of thermal grease to the top of the processor, with each dot consisting of about 0.1 milliliter of thermal grease. Hold both sides of the processor and align the small notches on the processor with the tabs on the socket. Align the small triangle on the processor to the beveled corner on the socket. Then, gently lower the processor into the socket. Close the processor retainer, and then push the handle to the lock position. Install the heatsink and the fan module. If applicable, install the optical drive cage. If applicable, install the optical drive. Install the server cover.